Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I was able to make this purchase of 393.9 USDT with just a bank card. Alright, and I'm going to show you how you can use it for your arbitrage opportunities. Right, as you can see, this is not a screenshot, this is live. As you can see, my screen is moving, so it's not some kind of screenshot. So I'm going to show you how I was able to buy this USDT with a bank card. This card doesn't require an OTP. The only time it requires an OTP is the first time that you're linking the card to Kucoin. It requires OTP to link it. But after that, subsequently, when you're buying crypto with this card, it does not require any OTP, and it works perfectly well on Kucoin and on the web version of Kucoin, right? So guys, I'm going to go ahead to make a live demonstration video to show you guys how I was able to use this card to buy USDT right here without OTP, without any one-time passcode. So make sure to watch the video from the beginning to the very end so you don't miss any important information. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, in this channel, I make videos on how to make money online with different strategies, be it crypto arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, card arbitrage, and even airdrops and so on and so forth. So I go out there and try a lot of things out on how to make money online. And if I see anyone that is working for me, I will come here, make a video about it to show you guys, my subscribers, what I'm currently doing to earn money online, so you can also do the same thing and start making money for yourself. And if I also try a particular strategy, and if that strategy doesn't work for me, I also make a video showing you guys, my subscribers, that this strategy did not work, so you don't go out there to waste your time or waste your money trying to do something that doesn't work. So if you like this kind of videos and you want to start making money online for yourself, all you need to do is click on this like button right here to like this video. So you click on this subscribe button right here to subscribe to this channel, right? So once you must have clicked on the subscribe button, you also click on this bell icon right here. Once you click on the bell icon, you're going to see options, and you click on this one, the first one that says all, right? So once you click on all, you're going to receive all notifications from me. YouTube is going to send you a notification whenever I upload a new video on something that is working for me. YouTube is going to send you a notification, and you'll be one of the first persons to come here and watch the video and start using it to make money online for yourself. And you also need to go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just click here and type in a nice comment for me. I will also appreciate that. So with all that being said, let's dive right into the video. After you finish linking your card here on Kucoin, then you're gonna go ahead to buy crypto with the card. We're gonna click on buy crypto right here, and we're gonna click on fast trade, this one. Then we're gonna allow it to load up. Once it has loaded up, as you can see, it's here on fast trade, right? So now we're going to go ahead and input how much we want to buy, how much USDT we want to buy here. So guys, I've finished imputing the amount of dollar I want to use to buy my USDT, and this is the amount I'm going to be getting. This is the amount of USDT that I'm going to be getting right here. Even with that, we're going to be making massive profit from this. So as you can see, it's $421.2. I'm going to be getting 402.2 USDT. Mind you, they're still going to take more charges from this USDT right here. There's still going to be some little fee, but don't worry, we're still going to be making lots and lots of profit from this arbitrage trading. So you can now come here and click on buy USDT. So guys, we are now here, and this is the total amount we're going to be receiving. As you can see, like I told you guys, they're going to take more fees. We're going to be receiving 39.92, and that is the final amount we're going to be receiving. Sometimes it can be more after purchasing it, sometimes it can be lesser, but this is the amount we're going to be receiving, right? And as you can see guys, this number right here is 6385, showing that it's the same card that I'm talking about in the video, and that's the same card that I'm using. So after that, we're going to click on this one that says confirm, and we're going to buy our USDT. Then we'll click on confirm, and we're going to allow it to load, and it's loading. And we're going to buy our USDT right here, and we're going to be making a lot of profit, right? And boom guys, as you can see, it did not require any OTP from me, and we have successfully purchased 393.9 USDT, right? So guys, as you can see, this card is working on this platform perfectly well. And with this 393.9 USDT that we received, that we bought, we're going to be making huge, massive profit from this. So I just want to show you guys how much I was debited for that particular transaction, right? As you can see, this is January 8th, 2024, as you can see on my screen right now, and I got debited this amount, 367,865 naira 75 kobo, as you can see right here on my screen. So I just cropped out my name, the details of the transaction for security purposes, right? I just want to show you guys the amount that I was debited. Now let me show you guys the most interesting part. So if you come here on your Binance or Bybit, whichever exchange that you're using, as you can see on the sell session, the USDT is being sold for 1,234 Nigerian Naira. So this is the most interesting part. We're going to be making a lot of money with this transaction alone, right? So if you are not in Nigeria, you can still check it out with your own country currency to see if it's going to be profitable for you, right? So now let's see the amount of profit we've made from this transaction, right? So what we got was 393 USDT with our bank card, right? So 393 USDT times by the current price of USDT in the P2P there on Binance. That is 1,234 Nigerian Naira, right? So approximately we got a total of 484,962 Naira, right? So we're going to minus this with our initial capital, which is this amount right here, 367,865 Naira 75 kobo. Let's just put 367,865 Naira. So we say 367,865 Naira, right? So at the end of the day, we're going to be left with 117,097 Naira. So what you're seeing on my screen right now is just profit. This is just profit without your initial capital, right? So this card is working perfectly well, and you can start using it for your arbitrage opportunity. So if you want to know the name of this card and how you can be able to get this card and start using it for your arbitrage opportunities to make massive profits for yourself, there's going to be a link in the description of this video. The link is also going to be in the comment section of this video. That link is the link to my Telegram group. Click on the link, join my Telegram group. You're going to see my Telegram profile right there. Click on it and send me a message on Telegram, right? Once you send me a message on Telegram, ask me the name of this card and I will gladly tell you the name of this card, right? Well, this card has been in use for my VIP members. My VIP members have been using this card to make money for themselves. I just decided to share it with you guys right here. And if you want to be one of my VIP members, so that you're going to receive first-hand information on first-hand tips or first-hand strategy that I find new on how to make money with arbitrage trading opportunities or anything that I'm using to make money online. If you want to be one of my VIP members, so you can be receiving those first-hand information, so that you can be one of the first person to be using it to make money for yourself online before others get to know about it. Also send me a DM on Telegram and maybe also on WhatsApp. Tell me that you want to be one of my VIP members, and we're going to talk about it and see how I'm going to add you as my VIP members, right? So with all that being said, guys, this is the end of this video, guys. I know you enjoyed this video. For you to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video update just like this one, you need to click on this like button. Just click on this like button right here, and also click on this subscribe button. If you have not subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button, right? Then you also click on this bell icon right here. Once you click on the bell icon, you click on this first one that says all. Then once you have done all that, YouTube is going to send you a notification whenever I upload a new video update on what is currently making me money online. So you can also be one of the first persons to come, watch the videos and use it to make money for yourself while the update lasts, right? And also go down in the comment section of this video and leave a nice comment for me. Just type in a nice and sweet comment for me in the comment section of this video. I'll also appreciate that, right? So with all that being said, guys, I will see you guys in my next video update. Peace out, guys. I love you guys. Keep winning and enjoy.